Hey, let's see how you can save money on right sizing, and this time with RDS instances. So this should be quite similar than EC2 instances. And also the difficulty will be medium because it will depend highly if your instances are on production environment. Let's dive in. So like EC2 instances, you have different type of right sizing with downsizing, upsizing, and switching instance family and options. Depending on your instance database type, so for example, if you have a PostgreSQL or MySQL, you will have different diagram here in the monitoring section of your database. So for some of them, you will have freeable memory here, and otherwise you also have the CPU utilization here, and you can check if it is over provision or not. You can check also into compute optimizer here. So you have one or multiple option for the instance type to change, and you will have the difference price and the estimated monthly saving in percentage or after discount or on demand. Also, if you go directly to cost optimization, savings opportunities, and you filter by AIDS DB instance, you can check your monthly savings here and the difference of recommendation size AWS wants you to make. And you also have an estimated savings percentage here. To fix it, you have to right size your IDS instances. So take care in production because there will be a brief downtime when the instance class is changed. So please consider creating a backup or snapshot before and act with caution. Otherwise, you simply have to go in AWS and go to ADS service, then instance section. You just have to select one instance, click on modify, and you can then apply here the changes immediately or during a maintenance window.